Hi, and welcome back to Lesson 13 of Mastering OEE in Manufacturing. Today, we'll recap some of the main points covered in the course, and then give some final thoughts and encouragement for practical application. So now that we've explored OEE in depth, let's take some time to reflect on the key lessons you've learned in this course. Mastering OEE is not just about understanding the metric, it's about applying it effectively to drive real improvements. First, we'll go over the foundations of OEE. We begin by defining OEE as a combination of availability, performance, and quality, expressed as a percentage. It's a straightforward but powerful metric that provides insight into how efficiently your equipment is operating. Importantly, OEE gives you a clear focus for improvement. This course also emphasized the history of OEE, showing its roots in the total productive maintenance philosophy. The guidance in this decades-old book from Nakajima is still useful today when trying to get a grip of OEE. For number 2, let's break down the 6 big losses. One of the most valuable insights was the identification of the 6 big losses that impact OEE. Those are breakdowns, setup and adjustments, idling and minor stops, reduced speed, startup rejects, and finally production rejects. The exact categorization is often different from organization to organization these days, but when used effectively, these categories help you target specific problems. Whether it's reducing breakdowns to improve availability or tackling quality rejects, these losses are the building blocks of OEE improvement. Number 3, let's recap tools and methods. You've also learned practical approaches to calculating, implementing, and improving OEE. Now let's recap FactBird's OEE waterfall approach. This is a more modern, granular way to analyze OEE with clear visualizations of downtime causes. By breaking OEE into detailed components like TCU, OEE1, OEE2, and OEE3, this method helps you pinpoint specific areas for improvement, making it easier to prioritize actions effectively. Next is the highway solution, a structured framework for rolling out OEE solutions developed by Mikkel Ralph Simonsen, a senior plant optimization expert. The highway solution emphasizes stakeholder engagement, reliable data collection, and gradual implementation. It's designed to ensure a smooth transition to automated OEE tracking while building a strong foundation for sustained improvements. Next, we'll talk about the OEE uplift approach, a structured 6-step framework for driving sustainable improvements, from setting baselines to standardizing processes. This approach was also developed by Mikkel Ralph Simonsen, and this approach focuses heavily on team engagement, making sure that those closest to the equipment take ownership of the changes, increasing the likelihood of long-term success. These methodologies are designed to take the guesswork out of OEE and provide actionable insights. Number 4, let's talk about real-world applications. Through case studies, we saw how companies like Broxburn Bottlers and Raimundo's applied OEE to achieve tangible results. Their experiences demonstrated the versatility of OEE across different manufacturing settings and roles. Number 5 is a quick recap about continuous improvement. OEE is all about a mindset. It's not a one-and-done metric, but a continuous improvement tool. As challenges evolve, OEE provides a framework to adapt, measure progress, and keep improving. Remember, even small incremental gains can add up to significant productivity boosts over time. Now let's move on to the final lesson where we'll explore what you can do next. See you there.